Student Ambassadors Against Bullying, also known as the SAAB Squad, are a group of 3rd graders at Ebner Elementary School that strive to put an end to bullying right in their own school and beyond. The kids use a superhero-themed story as well as bully beans to teach their younger peers what to do if they are being bullied.
Bullying is really mean because if someone is bullying you and you don't like it, just go to someone and tell them that somebody's bullying you.
SAAB Squad stands for Student Ambassadors Against Bullying. We are a group here at Ebner that goes to classrooms and helps with bullying, which we do skits and plays for the kids that go here.
The SAAB Squad started about 2 months ago with the idea coming from Stacy Palillo, one of our 5th grade teachers, and she came to me with the idea that this program really would be beneficial to help with our bullying concerns, which are throughout our school district. So we really are taking this very seriously here at Ebner, and we're hoping that the SAAB Squad is a benefit to all of our students and our staff.
The SAAB Squad will continue to help students fight bullying in their school, throughout the district, and beyond.